Good morning. It is Saturday. I have a busy day planned. I just arrived at the gym and I have my son, Gavin. He's hiding in the back. And he has martial arts. So I didn't have a choice in getting out of bed this morning. Felt like taking a rest day. But I know I was just tired. I stayed up pretty late trying to edit video. So I'm going to go and do some cardio. I'll hit some biceps. I haven't done arms in a while. So I'll do some biceps, triceps, and if I have time, abs. Don't know if I'll have time for the sauna today because, again, I have a baseball game going on. Got to do a little bit of shopping. So I'll try and record when I can. I'll see you in a bit. Headed upstairs. I got hardly any sleep last night. I'm so tired. So I'm gonna have huge bags under my eyes again. So tonight the goal is to get into bed on time. About to head on this treadmill. So I just did shoulders, biceps, triceps. Have horrible stomach ache today, so I'm gonna try and keep pushing through. I ended up skipping the Stairmaster just because my stomach really hurts. So I'll do what I can, and then I will probably go home and take a nap before I have the other things I have to attend to. I'm gonna keep working arms, probably do some barbell, bicep curls, and shoulder press. So I will try and film what I can. I forgot today is my last day of my 22 days of 22 push-ups. So I'm gonna do my 22 push-ups, which is to help bring awareness to the 22 veterans that commit suicide each day. So I've been doing them every day. It's the last day. I'm so happy. I'm not accepting any tags anytime soon. This was a job. It looks like there are approximately 484 push-ups, not including my regular sets, by doing this challenge. So here I go, my last set of push-ups. So happy to be done. It's even harder because I'm tired, but it's done. I say back let's go. Yeah, I say back I say back I say best like Alright, so I ended my gym time early. My stomach just hurts so badly. I'm thinking it probably has to do with the feta that I ate yesterday. Like I said before, I've been dairy free for about 4 years. I've been trying to add a little bit back just to see how it goes, and I just feel like crap right now. It could be that. I'm also tired, kind of like I have chills, I guess, but it's like hot outside. So right now it's 83. It's supposed to be 95 today. So I'm gonna run into the store real quickly because I still have stuff that I have to get for today's activities. Do a little shopping, and then I'm going home to lay down. I don't know if I'll make it to baseball or the picnic, but I need some rest. I have hit a wall. See ya. Hi, I ended up coming home and taking a nap because I was feeling so ill after my workout. So I went shopping, had to get some things. Ended up missing the baseball game and picnic. I really needed some rest. Slept from about 12:30 to 3 o'clock, and I had to get up. I'm currently working on some client workout plans and meal plans. So that's what I'm going to do this evening. And I've been drinking some, I think it's detox tea. So that has really helped because my stomach was hurting. My throat was hurting. I think it was just something that I ate that didn't agree with my system. So I'm going to just take it easy for the rest of the evening. But I want to close out today's episode so I can upload my footage. I will see you. I might take a rest day tomorrow. So if I don't see you tomorrow, I will see you on Monday.